We're going to go over the assembly of the 403Z shroud assembly. So in the front here you have all your disposable parts. We have an assortment of nozzles. This is the NOZ8615 nozzle. You're going to use a 16-inch mixer, half-inch mixer inside of the shroud assembly, and then a disposable pre-mixer that goes into the first part here, as well as 2 O-rings, one that goes into each end piece. So step 1 is to put the mixer inside of the shroud itself. Then I'm going to install my O-rings. This O-ring goes right on the face of this part. And then the mixer, doesn't matter if it goes in this way or this way, will be pressed all the way in, all the way to the bottom. This O-ring right here goes into the groove about halfway down this part right here. At this point, I'm going to assemble the shroud assembly from back to front. I'm going to tighten in the gun adapter by hand. I'm going to tighten the front down. All parts on the shroud assembly are going to be assembled hand tight. Don't use wrenches on them. You can run into damaging the parts. Finally, we put our disposable nozzle and thread it into the nozzle adapter.